Euro against US dollar this week has risen in value. The week started with this bullish candle where the price returned back down slightly to the first support level 1.12571 and then returned back up, where the price on Wednesday formed a bullish breakout above 1.13549 and it has stayed inside the small range area for the next 2 days. The weekly time frame shows me that we are still in the bullish mode and we have a bullish candle forward here, which is also a monthly time frame showing the same scenario because of this strong bullish movement. Now for the monthly we have more around 2 weeks until this month close, so we can see it is still bullish oriented. Where what I have said in the previous weekly analysis, I am expecting the price could reach around this area here, which is 1.16. Weekly time frame shows me that we have 1.16 around this area here, where we have several bullish breakouts needed on the daily time frame, but we'll see what happens on the daily time frame and how the market looks. First of all, we can see that the prices stop in between 1.14 and 1.13 resistance level, and we can see that the price is inside the bullish mode currently, pushing the price even further higher, reaching higher price levels. How the price will behave next week, we'll see, because currently we are in the holiday period where the market is come, and on Tuesday when the market opens, we'll see how the price will behave. Yesterday we didn't had too much of the movement because we can see that this is a small candle where the prices formed around 40 pips pip range, which is not very high level of the pips. So for now, what I am expecting currently, how the market looks, it is looking that we are needing a breakout outside of this small range area. We can see that currently the price is inside the bullish momentum, so I'm expecting more and I'm inclined more to see the price moving higher. But for that I will see what happens on a Tuesday where the market opens around this area of resistance and this area of support. 4-hour time frame shows me that we currently have the price trying to move higher, and we can see that the price is trying to make a bullish breakout about this area of resistance 1.14. Will the price manage to do that? That is something that we'll need to watch closely, how the price behave on a 4-hour time frame and especially 1-hour time frame. What we can see here on the 1-hour time frame is that the price has formed a bullish breakout above 1.13855. It is targeting 1.14. So first of all, this is the target that I am expecting on a Tuesday when the market opens to reach, and after that we'll see how the price will behave here around this area of resistance on the 4-hour time frame. If the price manages to make a bullish breakout, it will be indication of the further rise in value. But remember also the opposite direction, it is possible how the price will behave around this area of support, and will the price manage to make a bearish breakout below this area and then again below this area going further down. Now for now, this is something that I'm expecting for the euro, more inclined to see the price moving higher to the higher price levels, but we'll see how the price will open the market on a Tuesday. For now, if you would like to receive these updates inside the premium analysis, I also share the breakouts when the price forms a breakout below this area of support or above this area of resistance, targeting the next levels, and the targeting these levels will be shared also inside that premium analysis group. So feel free to check, the link will be below in the description. That's all for this week. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.